Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Sunday, July 4th, 1999, 10 am. Peace and tranquility don't exist in this world. Overcome this shock. My daughter, you have to. This morning, you don't have the good fortune to witness this meditation. But in this very moment, He is at work. He is perfect. Rejoice on this aspect. He has started a process which will lead him far, and you will have helped him to soar. The Master is present as he usually is with the beginners, but all is well. He is satisfied. You were not mistaken in seeing in him a noble soul. It will become a jewel. Try at least today to forget your worries and to live this event which touches you in the depth of your being. The bond between your souls is strong and indestructible. Meditate with him now. Your two hearts are in unison. Bathe in our love. Do you feel this vibration in you? He will go far, this boy. He belongs to the chosen ones. You are not alone. Spend this day as best you can. We bless you. Babuji. Monday, July 5th, 1999, 8 am. Do you really want these messages to be brought to closer? The medium says, No, Babuji. I would have a very painful impression of being useless. A great vacuum would be created in me, as if you did not dwell in me anymore. Your reaction is justified by your state of tiredness and you are being very upset. That does not necessarily mean life has come to an end. The channel is intact and we can continue by reducing a little to let you get your breath back. You have lived together good moments, spiritually strong, since Saturday. These states are not necessarily perceivable. You have benefited from special blessings. Remain united and supportive of each other in this matter, which creates a bond between you. You are the first custodians of these messages. It is a grace being bestowed on you. We are happy with the result obtained. This is very good work, well processed and well packaged. It has style. They are precious in many regards, given the conditions in which our scribe has been working, more with her heart than with her own strength, especially on certain days. We will continue as long as this will be feasible. Many things have been said. The main thing. You have food for thought. Each one of you has changed without even realizing it. Since you have been reading them, you can see things in a different light. Continue to feed on them. Your heart will soften in a good sense. These messages are entrusted to you. Make good use of them now and in the future. They are under your responsibility. Babuji.